Alright, it is Friday. So, cyber defense, anybody interested in the team, it looks like we're going down. December, we're going to take a team down to Ames, and if you're interested, talk to me. BCA-155, course completion. I ran through the items to make sure everybody's working on them. Next week we don't meet because of Thanksgiving, and then we don't meet the very last week of school, so we only have one more session, and that session we're going to do the reports on the interviews, fill out a discussion form on the interviews, and look at the future of web design in terms of some futuristic things in web design, where web pages and our access to the internet and accessing those things. The students that weren't in the interview did a little bit of research on front and back end web development, what it is, what software is involved with each of those, and then they spent time working on their websites. So, front end development, user interface, user experience, all the key things that makes that browser give you the experience you want when accessing something on the web. The back end, there are some terms and some languages that work on both of those. So you look at some terms, framework, and so forth, and then you see which ones refer to the back end and which ones refer to the front end. So you have a couple of like categories. Okay, so you'll also hear, somebody has a browser, so they have these things, but maybe that browser writes something out to a database or fills itself in based on the user's experience, the user that actually is using it. Maybe it's using cookies, maybe it's doing a number of things. So we have the front end, which the client would see, and then we have the back end on what things are happening on the server. And that's it.